Elon Musk recently tweeted that Mars will one day be a greater capitalistic enterprise than Earth. He also revealed that the first colonists on Mars will need to be entrepreneurs and operate businesses to make it an artful, profitable colony. He also confirmed that Mars will be run on cryptocurrency. Many people do not understand why we need cryptocurrency in space. After all, if we want to live in a remote outpost with limited communication with Earth, what is the point of digital money? Well, there are many reasons why Mars will run on cryptocurrency, and not just for trade with Earth. There are several potential benefits of blockchain technology to industries operating in isolated or controlled environments such as mining operations or space colonies. Security is increased by the decentralized ledger and immutable audit trails provided by blockchain technology. Individual users can have their own username and password rather than requiring an intermediary for access control, or trusting a central operator with their personal information. Since blocks cannot be overwritten once recorded, any recorded transactions cannot be changed later on without detection. Therefore, confidential records cannot be leaked or hacked. Transactions can also occur directly between parties without an intermediary, which can result in cost savings from eliminating intermediaries and brokers who charge transaction fees, as well as faster execution times from reducing the number of steps required to complete a transaction. To understand this better, we need to know what a blockchain is. A blockchain is a distributed digital ledger used to record transactions. It is a decentralized system that allows all members of the network to interact, execute, and record transactions without requiring a trusted third party. Blocks are units of data that are connected and chained together using cryptography. Once new data is created, it cannot be erased or modified. When information is recorded in blocks, a hash is created for each block, which is a mathematical summary of the information recorded in the block that serves as a fingerprint for that block. When a new block is created, it will reference the hash of the previous block. If an attempt is made to modify data that's already been recorded in a block, a new hash will be generated, and the new hash will not match the hash of the previous block. The new hash will create a discrepancy between the old data and the new data, and an alert will be triggered. One of the main benefits of blockchain technology in space is the ability to trade with Earth. This happens because many blockchain networks allow for smart contracts that can be programmed to autonomously execute transactions based on the outcome of certain events. For example, a company that leases a spaceship to a mining operation in space could automatically trigger the transfer of payment once it detects a successful landing of the spaceship. This would eliminate the need for a mining company to manually ensure that payment was made. In addition, the mining operation can use the same technology to transfer goods or services to Earth-based partners. For example, they can purchase goods such as food and oxygen using cryptocurrency. Once the goods are delivered, the payment is automatically executed. This will help space be more profitable, as well as allow it to become sustainable. Another key benefit of blockchain networks for space travel is the ability to manage the supply chains more efficiently. Blockchain networks create a tamper-proof record of every transaction that has ever occurred, which allows for audits to be conducted at any time. If a supply chain is managed using blockchain technology, the items being transferred from one location to another are tracked from the point of origin to the final destination. This creates a complete audit trail that can be used to verify the goods that are being transported. In the event that goods are being smuggled or that the product is counterfeit, the supply chain management system will have the data needed to identify what was smuggled and where the shipment originated. This can be used not only to catch smugglers, but also to ensure that products are genuine. One of the most interesting benefits of blockchain technology in space is the ability to monitor the environment. Companies that offer space tourism services can use blockchain technology to implement an environmental monitoring system. This will allow tourists to view the progress of the environmental monitoring data while they are in space. As tourists collect data, it can be stored on the blockchain and used to make real-time environmental changes. This can be used to monitor pollution, track water flow, and detect changes in weather patterns. Thanks to the immutable and transparent nature of blockchain technology, data recorded on a network cannot be altered. Therefore, even if an organization is accused of tampering with data, there will be an audible trail that will reveal the truth. One of the key benefits of blockchain technology in space is the ability to create digital identities. This can be used to help people claim ownership over various resources on a space station. For example, a person may own a specific piece of equipment in the private space. This can be done by creating a digital identity for the equipment and storing it in the blockchain network. Once the equipment is registered on the blockchain, the information will be immutable and cannot be altered or deleted. This can be used to identify the equipment, record any history relating to the item, and determine if the equipment is functioning properly. It can also be used to track space debris and monitor the environment surrounding a space station. Blockchain technology is revolutionary due to its decentralized and secure nature. It has the potential to transform many different industries and sectors, including space exploration. When colonies are built on Mars, it will be necessary to use a secure system to transfer data. Blockchain technology is the most effective and secure options available. In addition to being secure, blockchain technology can also be used to trigger automatic payments and trigger alerts if something is wrong in the system. With that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.